Stop! Does cracking your knuckles hurt you? The answer will surprise you. No! Your joints are filled with a special oil called synovial fluid. This fluid contains dissolved carbon dioxide and nitrogen gases. When you crack your knuckles, the pressure drops as you suddenly stretch the joint. The low pressure causes the dissolved gases to suddenly form bubbles. This is called cavitation, and that's the pop sound, the satisfying sound you hear when the bubbles burst. One doctor cracked only his left hand for 60 years, never touching his right hand. Both hands are completely the same, with no damage. But be careful. After cracking your knuckles once, you should wait 20 minutes because the gases need to dissolve again. So cracking your knuckles is harmless. Don't forget to subscribe.